Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, and before starting our class, let me tell you the very, very important rule of our class. Listen carefully, okay? According to the rule of our class, whenever I will be asking you to show your thumbs up, you should have a big smile on your face. Okay, this is the rule of our class. And why it is so? Because we believe drawing is nothing but your reflection. If you will be happy, then only your drawing will be happy. Okay, so let's do this work with lots of joy. Okay, so can I see the thumbs up according to the rule of class? Yes, buddy wali smile. That's it. Okay, so today we will be learning a lovely drawing. This is a beautiful drawing and having a concept also. Okay, these days in your school and many institutions are organizing competition or Save Water World, है ना? Save water, stop polluting rivers and oceans. So in today's drawing, very beautifully, we will depict this, that Save the Water World. Okay, and I'm giving you some hints. Try to reveal. In this complete drawing, the center of our drawing is a beautiful creature, live in oceans, beautiful with long hair. Any guesses? And we normally listen stories of, yes, it's correct. It's mermaid. Yes. So let's learn a lovely drawing that is Save Water World. It's a very heavy topic, but in very beautiful and very different way. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. Okay. So for this, I'm going to use my A3 size paper. Okay. Because for senior batch, we normally suggest them to use A3 size paper. Okay. So we will be using A3 size paper. We need pencil and eraser initially. And after this, we will start with our work. Okay. Ready? Fine. So now, first of all, you are going to keep first, whenever you start a drawing, okay? First, you decide that how you're going to use the space. Space, it means for me, the space is available file. So I will be using it horizontally. It means sleeping position. I will keep my file in sleeping position. Many artworks, we prepare them in standing position. It is called vertically. So keep your file horizontally, okay? Yes. Now, always decide whenever you are making a diagram or you are copying any work, you first decide the center point of the artwork you are making and the artwork which you are copying. Although we are not going to copy any work, but always decide a center point. This center point is very helpful in keeping your object in perfect proportion. So this is my center point and my main object, the principal drawing, the center of the drawing, that is mermaid, is going to come in center. Okay. So this is my center. I will make my face here. Okay, I will be making face here. So what I will be doing, first I will take a point here and then 3 fingers distance. 3 fingers distance, I will take a point here. Okay, like artists, we will not use scale. We will be using fingers for measurement. This is 3 finger measurement. Okay, 3 fingers. 3 fingers measurement. Okay. What you will be doing? You will make a line and with 3 fingers. Okay. Now see, we are making face. So you're supposed to be very much careful. Now using this line, I will be taking 3 fingers again. And I will make a line. Exact 3 fingers. Otherwise, the face will become very big. Exact 3 fingers. Okay. And make a line. And very gently, with soft curves, simply make a shape of U. U shape for showing face. Okay. 3 finger wide, 3 finger long. very carefully with soft curves, simply U. Okay? Can you hear me properly? Show your thumbs up. And is my video properly coming? Okay, fine. So Kedar, you please check your internet beta, because the rest all can hear me properly and even can see my video smoothly. And if you are having any disturbance, you please check your internet. I think you have poor internet connection. Okay. Now after this, I just want to check. This is the very first step. Please lift up your files and show. Yes, very good. Okay, 3-finger wide, 3-finger long. Why I took a measurement so that the figure should not go small or big. I will give little more closer view. Okay, little closer view will, I think, help you. Now we know how much big face. Okay, now first I will take make by writing number 11. It is looking like 11. And slightly curved. Okay. And simply, very softly, gently sloping lines. Gently sloping lines. Okay. I will not make it big. They are very small. And where the nape finish, from there again take 3-finger. 3-finger distance. 3-finger distance. Okay. And here's this line. These lines are very gently sloping. Okay. Don't make it steeply sloping, gently sloping. See, you will get all the recordings. Okay. You will get the recording on my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. So when you will visit this YouTube channel, you will find all recording. We are going to upload these recording on our YouTube channel. And if, okay, now after this 3-finger, okay, from neck again 3 fingers, and I will be connecting. The last point of this shoulder line, I will connect. And simply give, see, I'm making rough shape of figure, very blunt and soft curves. I will add afterwards. Okay. The name of my YouTube channel is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. This is my YouTube channel's name. You are going to get your all recordings on this channel. Okay. So what I did from neck, I took 3-finger distance, I draw a line, and then I connect. Okay. First, we will draw roughly the shape of the figure. Okay. Yes, I will give a quick revision. What I did, I took a point almost in center. This was the center, slightly above. 3 fingers, I draw a line. Then again, I took 3-finger distance. I draw a line and make a U shape. Then 11, okay. Then 2 gently sloping lines. Again, 3-finger distance, connect. Okay, only this much we have done. Now from here, I will be using letter S. S for sun. Okay. How? I will be making S, blunt. Okay. S. This is normal, S for sun. Samidha, you can send the doubt if you have any. Okay. So this is S. I gave a curve here. Okay. We will relate the shapes to letters and numbers because these are things, letters and numbers are things we are continuously connected. Hai na? So when we connect the basic shapes to the shape which we are very well familiar with, we find the same drawing very simple. And this is the trick we implement in our teaching style. Okay, now here. Small slanting line. Before this, I want to check it first. Please lift up your work, all of you, and show me. Very good. It's beautiful. Lovely. Okay. Now you will be making a small slanting line. And from here, I will come very close to it. Okay. By writing a J for jug. J. It's almost J. Okay. And we will be completing our figure by writing a J for jug. Okay, now see the shapes, the blunt, the shapes will give us soft curve. So this here X and here this J, a slim figure. Okay. I will give you a number on which you can call for any query. Okay, they will clear you all doubts. Now from here, this is shape which is going upwards. This is again a C shape with a curve. And here also, okay, see, this is C with a slight curve. It's looking like S actually. And same here. Vaishali, as you are in this batch and learning now, no? So you miss class. You get link of that class. So you don't worry. The recording of that class is also available on my YouTube channel. Okay. So you can see that with help of YouTube channel and you can learn. Okay. And yes, Reet, what are you asking? For small younger ones, junior batch is there. Okay. So you can try this also because here also I'm going to teach you using letters and numbers. Okay. But for small kids, we have two batches, pre-junior and junior. Okay. So if you miss that class because of any reason, don't worry. Complete recording of junior batch, which the class which was just before this class, you can see that on my YouTube channel and learn. See here, the drawings normally remain same many times, but there are so many things which we learn in mature way. You know? Like this is a face. Okay, this is also a face. The younger one. And this is also the face for the elder one. Okay, so both case, this is face, but the technique change. So many times the drawing is almost same, but the way of making, because here we are going to see that she is having a shell with a pearl in hand, and the different curves of hairline. So many things will be very mature. Now see, I will take a center point and I will connect it with the help of C, then S almost. Okay, you can see this way is you can connect the tail part. Okay, you can connect tail part. And here the curves will be more rhythmic. Okay. Now see students, let's complete our face. Okay. Yes, I will be starting from the beginning. I use my paper horizontally. I took a point. These are 3 fingers. I took one more point, then 3 finger distance. Okay. I draw a shape of U, then 11, then 2 small slanting lines. Okay. And here I will be making 2 slanting lines. Connect. From here, this is S. From here, a slanting line, then J. 2 curved lines, center point, and give a curve. Okay. Now let's complete face. Now here, the way of making face will change. Okay. First of all, we will be completing hands. Okay, I want to show she is holding. So what you'll be doing, you'll take 2 points. Okay, this is armpit. And from here, the armpit will start. 2 points. Here, this side also. And a line this ways. Okay, a line this ways. Coming downwards and going this way. Okay. No, this drawing we will complete using watercolors, earbuds, and different techniques. We will be completing this artwork in next class. And we are going to use balloon impression. Okay, we will be using balloon impression. Normal balloon, holy balloon, which we fill water in. Simple air balloon you will take and you will see its beauty for making fishes. And we will be learning balloon impression for learning fishes. For one balloon, I will be giving you the list of material required. Okay. So we will be using that technique for making fishes and background. So now see, this is a line going here. The second line, this is quite slightly big. Okay, that see here this line is coming outer and will come close. Simply. Okay. You can ask what doubt you have, Hazel. Okay. And she is holding a shell, and a beautiful shell in hand. I want to show this. So I want to check it first. Please lift up your files. How it's going? Very good. Okay, and we will connect it to our topic, save our water world. Okay, normally for saving our water world, you just focus a lot on negativity. But here, using the beauty, we will be showing that message, giving the message will connect to a great concept, save our water world. Okay. Yes. Now, after this, I will be making a big this kind of shape downwards. Okay, it's looking like C. Okay, C shape, just covering the outer part of the, and just show a curved line, big shell, and cover it. Okay, cover it. You will erase the lines of hands from it. Okay. Not only the mermaids, but tiny fishes and all and all. And balloon impression will give you a clear-cut idea that how useful balloon impression is for making your work. You can try that on fabric painting, on canvases, because the texture and for showing so complete universe, solar system. So we will be learning balloon impression. Hai na? So see, sometimes the drawing remains same for junior and senior, but the level of learning change. Okay. So now see this, after making this, I will be making one line going from here upwards, one line going from here upwards, and simply a curved line in flower shape. Okay, it will come round. It's coming this way. It's a beautiful shell with a beautiful pearl in hand. Okay, yes. So simply she's holding and looking at this beautiful pearl. Okay, so all the lines of hands will erase. And okay, real pearl inside. She's looking at this beautiful pearl. Okay, I want to check it. Please lift up your work and show. It's beautiful, lovely. Okay, so this beautiful shell, these every sea life is getting affected because of the pollution we are creating. Now, so from here, the hands will go down. See this line which I made now? Hand will go further down. Okay. And from here, gradually, it will come close. Okay. Gradually, slight distance you can see here. It is little close. And here you can see the distance. Okay. So you will not make small, tiny hands. See here, this line, 3-finger distance. I extend the line, than it. Okay. Yeah. See, this is full body. Okay. Till now, we have done this much. Let's complete hand. U. Okay. A U shape from this inner line, and from here, give this kind of curve. Simply see, this is broad, and you will go close and show the shape of finger. And see here, to show the fingers back side, you can show one more line. Okay, to show fingers back side. Okay. And here, yes, I want to check the work. Will you please show? Lift up and your files and show. Very good. Okay, see, using some letters and numbers, we are trying to show. See, the message that save our water world will be given by this mermaid only. Okay, we will be giving. Okay, now this line. Now the time to give a curve. I will be giving a curve. See, from here I will go out. Okay, this curve will go out. Yes, I'm looking at everyone's work. Don't worry. Okay. It will go out, take the center point, and simply show this kind of curve. Okay. This kind of curve to show and we'll be showing 3 okay. We'll finish this part till armpit. And finish the stripes. Okay, connect it with stripes. With a beautiful bow. If you want to show, you can. Otherwise, if you want to skip this, you can simply skip this also. Okay, you can show a bow or simply the stripes. Now you will soft the lines. Okay, the corners which are looking very blunt, make them slightly soft. Okay, you will be giving this softness to the corner. Okay, so this basic figure, hands with a beautiful pearl and shell in hands, and complete figure with rhythm, that basic shape of fish is ready. Now the most beautiful part, and that is face. Okay, face is left. I want to check this much first. Please lift up your work and show me the work. Yes. Okay, and this bow, it is optional. If you want to make, yes, you can. And if you don't want to make it, you can drop it. Okay. Wonderful. Now, let's complete face. For making face, I will be taking 1 point here on this line. And I will come S. Okay, like S. Simple curve of S. And here, simple curve of, you will come down here. Again, this is a flat S. Okay. You will be coming this way. And okay, you will be showing lines. You just complete this line as a flick. And from here, you will get, okay, now how to give the shape of the head? Just take a line and simply from here, give it a curve. And okay, you'll be giving this kind of shape with a beautiful wave. S again 2 times. Okay, let's make one flick. What I did from here, I came and I draw S, again S. Okay. Eyes. And now let's complete from here. I will be showing this ways. Okay, you can simply give a curve of J, or this is S again, and one more curve. Okay. I will be showing a little flower here. First, I will be completing this flick from here, then I will make a flower here also. To see what I did, I draw one S shape and one more curve. And from here, you will be continuing this. Okay, from here. From here, simply the line is coming slanting. And this is S and connect. And then you will erase the line from the front flick. Okay. Showing rhythm. Okay. If you want to show the more flicks, yes, you can show more. From here, if you want to show more flick, this is again an S shape. Okay. You can add this kind of flicks. As many as you can. Okay. Because this flicks will add a flow to your work. See, again, this is S. One more S. And it will add a flow. Everywhere you will find S in this work. S, again S, S, again S, S, again S, and everywhere. S will add a flow to your work. Okay? This is normal pencil you use. Okay? You all will be making drawing with normal pencil with very light lines. Okay? I'm little dark because so that you can see the lines. Okay? Now see the hairline is about to get from here. Okay? You can add overlapping this shoulder line. Erase the line. As these all flicks are in front, you can erase the lines of body. Okay, now see here, I erase the lines of body. And as these are in front. Okay, here also I erase the line of body. You can add as many as you want. Okay, and I'm going to make a flower here. In here. If you made it with lead pencil, it's okay, but try to do it with simple pencil. Your line should be very light, easy to erase. So don't make drawing with dark lines. I'm making it little dark so that you can see lines clearly. Okay. Now see, let's start with face. Okay. So for making face, she's looking down. She's looking down and this beautiful pearl and is as if talking or looking at the beauty. So how we will be showing? We will be showing eyes. Okay, curved lines. Okay, and you can show a line coming slanting, small line coming slanting, and just connect. Okay, if you feel that you don't want to give this detailing, simply make this kind of eyelashes. Okay, from here, these are big, then gradually curved. Make this kind of eyelashes. I think this will be easy. Small, tiny eyebrow. Looking downwards. Okay, now here we are going to show eyes downwards. looking at beauty and looking at beautiful things which are deteriorating because of pollution. If you connect this concept to, if you want to add one more flick, you can add one more round shape this way, as many as you want, okay? So simply C shape, I started from here, the slanting lines. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work. It's beautiful, lovely. Great. Now let's make a small, tiny nose in between of these two eyes. Simple and almost make sure, since it is almost a straight line, very slightly curved. And one more straight line. Okay? A very gentle, pleasant smile. Simply a line, then a small line. And a small, tiny C. It is not curved, it is also flat almost. Okay? And as I want to show my eyes closed, I will be simply making line, straight line, which we will make beautiful with help of colors. Okay? So this beautiful mermaid is worried about the condition which is deteriorating of ocean. And at the same time, she won't. Okay, one more flick I will add. I will add one more flick here, many flicks, so that that part of face will be hidden. Okay, this ways you can add flicks here and there. It will add the flow and beauty to your work. Okay, yes, from here also you can add, connect. Now, the face is done. I want to check the face. Yes, show once again. Okay, and see how simple it is to make a pleasant, soft face. Make sure your lips should not touch chin. There should be a distance, okay? If your lips will be very close to chin, your face will look cunning. It will not look pleasant and gentle, okay? Very good, lovely. Now, let's come back to work. I will give full view now, okay? So that we can start making another things also. Yes, so see this mermaid, the center of our artwork. Please, Durva, you send your doubt. If you have any, now I will be showing one, and two lines, big and small. Okay, now see this drawing alone is of no use till we will not make this beautiful word. So let's make it very creatively. Two lines. Hazel, we can't unmute anyone. You type and send, okay? For smooth rhythm of class, we don't unmute anyone. You can send your doubt and I will clear. See, I'm going to send my recording. My recording you will find after a few hours, not immediately after class. After a few hours, you will find it on my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Please note down this. There are many more things which you are very useful. So you will find the recording of today's class, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Yeah, it's correct, Vishal. Okay, now let's make water world. Okay, suppose you are going to draw only water world. You don't want to show that pollution and all. It's okay. Now I will be making this U shape and connect. I just want to show this kind of elevated stones, very creatively layered. And I will be making same kind of one shell here, kept here. Okay. So I will simply draw. We know the method. In this, we can show two also. And in the end, I will give you the list of material required. Okay, and we are going to learn air balloon technique. So we can make some big fishes also, because the technique, it will give you idea that how, and even impression we will be learning. Okay, now see this ways I will be making simple. We know now how to make it. Normally students ask, ma'am, how to make shell to show that pearls. This is the technique. Okay, from here you will go one line slanting, one here. See, if you feel that you just want to show this water world, and to see these all things will give you opportunity to learn more, Purvi. And you will be able to learn that if suppose this topic is given in your exam or in any competition, because here we are going to use so many techniques, like we will be using air balloon technique for making fishes, then we will be using cotton tapping, we will be learning so many things we will be learning in ice. So I will suggest, Bhuvi, you should learn it. Okay, beta? Whatever we learn, never go waste. So why to skip when we are getting opportunity to learn, right? You can make 2 shells. Now, see, this will go round. Okay. So you will be making it round. And your 2 beautiful pearls, big, are here. Let's make some from here, this wavy S. Okay. From here also you can show a fish. Now see here for making fish, I will be making a circle. Here the air balloon impression will come. Okay. So next class I will give you the material also required for next class. And with many tiny babies. Okay, small circles. A complete group. Air balloon technique, and then this. Stones, irregular shape to show stones. And see these curved lines which I'm making now, on this we are going to take earbud impression. Okay, we will be doing earbud impression for showing this kind of curved grass. Okay. All around with rhythm is J, it's a big S. With one more curve. Okay. This is again a S and then a curve. Some grass, U. Okay. S again. Okay. See here in what, and these are fishes with air balloon technique. And we will add little more because so that we can make many. A small balloon is required with no water inside, air. Okay. So add some circles, some irregular shaped stone. Here 2 platform shaped. Okay. Now see, if you want to connect this concept to pollution, you will be showing some water bottles and plastic bottles and polythene and garbage coming from above. You can show one small bottle coming from here, small polythene. Okay. If you simply want to make my clean water world, this is enough. And our beautiful water world. Or I want my dream world is water world. And if you want to add yourself, you can show you are doing diving and you are looking at this world. So you can try this drawing in many ways. Okay. And if you want to relate it to here, you can show a dialogue balloon, save our water world, and you can show some polythene and plastic bottles. Okay. And see, bangles in normal material, we always ask to keep bangles. So whenever required, like many of you don't find it difficult to draw the circles, so they can use. Now see, there's fishes. One more fish I will be making very small. Is that one? This way is V. Okay, it's a V. Take 2 points, and this is 3. Okay, this is also a very beautiful fish. Small tail. And okay, you can simply make C. Don't make this. Simply make C. It will look better. Okay. You can try this kind of fishes also. Let's make this kind of fishes in this corner. Okay, round fishes here with balloon impression. And here, let's make big and small, this kind of fishes. Okay. I will be making again. This is looking very stylish and trendy. Take 2 points, center point 3. Yes, these are kite fishes. Ah, yes, if you have real, you can paste it. It will look 3-dimensional. Why not? And even the grass, we have dry grass and things. Yes, we can do its pasting. This is V backside and make this upper wing big. Okay, the upper wing is quite big. Upper wing is quite big. And you can try different patterns. And here, this water bubbles can be done directly with earbud. Okay, you can make one more small, very small, and we'll finish. We will not make many. These with balloon impression. Okay, and we will see where else we can try. And these are very small. Let's see. And you will see the magic of balloon. And if you don't have balloon during lockdown, it's very difficult. Yes, how to make fish. I'm teaching this. See how to make. I will start it from the beginning. First, you will write a V, open V. And the upper line you will extend. Okay, V. Those who didn't understand, please see this clearly. Take 2 points. Center point. And simply make 3. It's looking like a V again. Okay. Again a V. And a C. Okay. Now see, water world. If you want to add few more things, you feel that will look good. Yes, you can add them. Okay. Here, if you want to add some more stones, some more grass, yes, you are free with. Okay. Many things we are going to. Balloon impression, what we do, we take a balloon. Okay, we fill air inside, and afterwards we put, we mix color in plate or over balloon. We apply with help of paintbrush, and we simply take impression. So all colors get merged, and because of air inside, that pressure is with air. So very strange kind of waves, very creative waves come in the drawing, and they looks very good, especially for making planets or some very special kind of flowers. So we will be learning that. Although we will be doing in 2 only. If you want to make many, you can make 3 fishes, but you will learn a new technique. Okay, balloon impression. And don't worry if you don't have balloon available. Not to worry, you can simply take a potato. Okay, you can take a potato also. And this is all about our today's class. Okay, now I just want to check the work. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. Yes. It's very beautifully done. Lovely. Okay. And you can connect it to water, Save Water World. Like those who are students, they can make some polythene and water bottles and connect it to Save Water World. Okay. You can add one dialogue balloon also. Mermaid is appealing. Please save water world. We are dying because you're polluting oceans. Don't throw your garbage here. We are not able to breathe. So normally fishes and all, but we use this mermaid. with the appeal. She's looking at this small shell in which the baby pearl is dying, that I can't breathe, I'm dying. And so you can show this ways also. So you can connect this drawing to one concept also and make it a lovely concept oriented drawing. Okay, I will give full view, and we still have time. So the very first step of our drawing is we draw with help of pencil. Now the second step is we give outlines. Okay, now here you will see that using very simple technique, we completed this mermaid. Okay, and closed eyes, how to show a very beautiful, pleasant face. If you want to add a dialogue balloon, see, if you want to add a dialogue balloon, you will simply draw a circle and connect it this way and write save us. And question mark, what is our fault? Why should we die? Why are you polluting our, you can simply write, don't stop water pollution. You can write here, stop water pollution also. Okay. And you can show some garbage. And if it is mixed media work, you can simply do pasting of some polythene and garbage. Okay. So this ways it can be a chart paper, because normally you get project, no? Make a chart paper for classroom and all. So you can try this and simply do crush some water bottles and do pasting, disposable glass, and you can paste it all around, that this garbage we are creating and we are spoiling such beautiful water world. And I know even in competitions, collage is given. So you can try this, okay? If any concept oriented thing you want to know. So after making this drawing, our second step is giving outlines. So let's start with outlines, okay? So see here, as we are here, we are going to give impression of balloon. So these two fishes, we will not give outlines. Okay, rest everywhere we will give outlines. So let's complete these fishes. These are small fishes. Okay, and you can simply show tail like this and simple feathers. Okay, simply. You can simply flat wings also you can make. Okay, these are small tiny fishes. Which this one, see here, I just simply use U shape. U, then came narrow, then U, then narrow. You can show some this kind of thorns over it. Okay, to show it a thorny. I will be completing these small tiny fishes. And I will give you first the material required for next class. Okay, what material is required next class? Even here, we can simply okay. This balloon we are going to use, but let's make the sides. Okay. So we will start with outlines from this middle part, and see, I will start with hair. Never start your outlines with face. Okay, always start it from things around your dress or things around. So now you will, here in this drawing, you will be giving outlines only in this mermaid. Okay, you will be giving outlines only in mermaid and fishes. But before that, I shall give you, I think I shall give you the material required. Shall I give that first? Okay, note down the material. Next class, we need plastic crayons. Okay, plastic crayons and oil pastels, both. Okay, if you have both, it's okay. If you have any one color medium, then also it's okay. Not to panic. Okay, if you don't trouble your mom and dad, because during lockdown it will be difficult. So if you have any one, it's okay. Otherwise, keep two color medium ready. We need cotton. Okay, easily available. We need 5 to 6 earbuds. Okay, 5 to 6 earbuds. We need watercolors. Okay, you can take any cake colors, tube colors, poster colors, any water soluble colors you can take. Okay, earbud. If you don't have earbuds available, you can simply take matchstick and with help of your mama, put this cotton and your homemade earbuds can work. Okay, and sketch pen, because outlines is also the very important part. Okay, so you will be giving outlines in this complete artwork. Okay, you will be giving outlines everywhere. I will show that how in this complete mermaid. Okay, in complete mermaid you will be showing this. And see, this is my Instagram ID. You can note down this Instagram ID, artgeo_classes. Okay, here I do my corrections. So if you want to send your work here for correction, so you please send it here, artgeo_classes. I do the correction, and if required, I send voice message also to do the corrections wherever required. Okay, so you please note it down, and this is my YouTube channel. Here you will find recording of today's class. If you want to revise, or if anything is you find that it is left, you want to say it again, don't worry. The complete recording of 1 hour class you will find there. Okay, and one balloon. We need 1 or 2 balloons, small, medium-sized balloon. If you don't have, simply take potato, medium-sized potato. We will cut and use that. Okay, so our next class is going to be on Saturday. Okay, and you will be giving outlines everywhere except these 2 fishes. This complete drawing you will give outlines. Okay, except these 2 balloon fishes. Everywhere. If you want to write this, you write. If you don't want to write it, you can skip. You can simply write, save our water world. Question mark, question mark, question mark. You know, we are not responsible for this deterioration. We are dying. Who is responsible? And they are asking. And this is a very genuine question of today's time. You know what? From satellite, a big island in Pacific Ocean has been observed. Okay, and you know that artificial island is created, and it is created with waste, plastic waste. Do you know this? And that is so big, almost equal to US. Okay, it's so big. And very soon the plastic will get divided in micro nanoparticles and spread all over the ocean. And in coming few decades, it will go in clouds, it will come in rain, and we all will be drinking plastic in coming few decades. This is a very serious problem. Okay, so with help of this drawing, we can even draw the attention here. Okay, so this is your homework. You will give outlines with this, except these 2 balloons. If you want to show some water bottles, polythene, if you want to connect it to concept, yes, you can connect. Okay, so this was our learning of today's class. And if you enjoyed today's class, can I see a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile? Yes, and see, boys, this concept keep in mind, because this is a very useful concept, can be used. Save nature. Suppose save nature topic is coming, you know, you can try this, because this is also part of nature, creation of nature. So this was all about today's learning. Next class will be full of excitement, because there you all will learn the very special technique of coloring. Keep your color mediums ready, both plastic crayon, oil crystals, earbud, cotton, and you will see the magic we are going to create on the world. Yes, this is perfect. This is Alina. Yes, Alina 5th A. It's correct. Okay. So watercolors. Yes, watercolors are also required, because stones and some touch up we will be doing earbud and with cotton. So we will go for mixed media work. Mixed media, it means we used more than 2 color mediums in one single artwork. This is called mixed media work. Okay, so this was all about, and don't worry if you skip anything, if you miss anything, you can visit my YouTube channel and see my creative mom, Leena Bandi. Okay, so this was all about today's learning, and with lots of blessings, I will wind up. Before winding up, can I see the drawing last time? Yes, because many of you have given outlines. Lines are very clear. And have you seen the magic of numbers and letters? Yes. So chalo, with this, I will wind up. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.